The Talmud is essential text in Jewish tradition, representing a vast body of literature that expands upon the teachings of the Tanakh, providing detailed commentary, discussion, and interpretation of Jewish law. The Talmud consists of two main parts, the Mishnah and the Gemara. The Mishnah, written down around 200 CE by Rabbi Judah the Prince, is the first compilation of Jewish oral law. The Mishnah organizes Jewish laws, teachings, and customs into 6 sections called orders, Sidrim, which are further divided into smaller chapters. These orders cover a variety of topics such as agriculture, festivals, marriage, civil law, sacrificial practices, and ritual purity. The Mishnah represents a codification of the legal teachings that had been transmitted orally for generations, and it seeks to make these laws accessible and applicable to daily life. While it is not a commentary on the Tanakh, it interprets and applies the laws found in the Torah to contemporary circumstances, providing a legal and ethical framework for Jewish life. The Gemara is the second part of the Talmud and consists of rabbinic discussions and debates on the Mishnah. The Gemara was compiled over several centuries, with the main version being the Babylonian Talmud, completed around the 5th century CE. The Gemara contains a wealth of interpretive material, exploring the reasoning behind the laws, presenting diverse rabbinic opinions, and addressing ambiguities or contradictions in the Mishnah. While the Babylonian Talmud became the authoritative text in most of the Jewish world, the Jerusalem Talmud, compiled earlier in the land of Israel, offers a slightly different version of the Gemara and is studied primarily by scholars in Israel. The discussions in the Gemara range from practical legal matters to philosophical and theological questions, often involving detailed legal reasoning, stories, parables, and ethical teachings. The Talmud goes beyond the realm of legal analysis. While it is often seen as a guide to Jewish law and practice, it is also a rich source of Jewish thought, offering insights into matters of theology, ethics, and social conduct. Through the Talmud, Jews are taught how to apply the Torah's teachings to daily life, with a focus on justice, fairness, and compassion. The Talmudic discussions frequently explore complex moral dilemmas and encourage careful analysis, debate, and resolution, illustrating the importance of intellectual engagement in the Jewish tradition. One of the most important aspects of the Talmud is its emphasis on debate and dialogue. The text is not a single, unified perspective on Jewish law, but rather a collection of differing opinions and views. The Talmud preserves the voices of many different rabbis, some of whom held opposing views, reflecting the diversity of thought in Rabbinic Judaism. This tradition of debate and inquiry has been a cornerstone of Jewish intellectual life for centuries, and it encourages an ongoing process of learning and reinterpretation. The Talmud is not merely a static legal code but a dynamic text that evolves through study, discussion, and application to new situations. For Jews, the Talmud is a crucial part of religious life, particularly for scholars and those involved in religious education. It is studied in yeshivas, Jewish seminaries, and serves as a guide for rabbis, judges, and Jewish leaders who make legal decisions in various matters, from personal relationships to communal disputes. The Talmud's influence extends beyond the realm of religious practice, shaping the way Jews think about ethics, justice, and community. It remains a key text for understanding the depth and complexity of Jewish law and tradition, and it continues to play a vital role in Jewish thought and practice around the world. Through its study, Jews strive to connect with their heritage and apply ancient wisdom to the challenges of the modern world.